Sanibona bafethu uVanele. So namhlanje okhuluma umdlalo weOrlando Pirates okuRelebohile Mofokeng. There are many talks regarding uRelebohile Mofokeng, surrounding uRelebohile Mofokeng. Many opposing fans are really asking questions. Why is Orlando Pirates not willing to sell uRelebohile Mofokeng? Why are they denying him to play overseas? Why are they denying him to play eEurope? Mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi lento leshuyile ama-fans lawa i-right. Even ama-fans Orlando Pirates imbala ngeke ngiwabone nawo esho ukuthi why Orlando Pirates ingafuna umdedela umfana ayodlala phesheya. And musathi uyawabheka lama-comments lawa ashiwile ama-fans. Akusiwona ama-comments mhlawumbe ongawathatha usho ukuthi hayi kodwa iqiniso kumele ngabe umfana uyadedela. Yabo akusiwona ama-comments ongawathatha kanjalo. Yabo ama-comments kumele uhlale phansi uwabheke ukuthi hayi kahle kahle ngempela abantu laba bafuna better for Mofokeng noma bamfuna ehambile kuOrlando Pirates. Yabo, do they want the boy to play ibhola elisezingeni eliphezulu noma bafuna asuke kuOrlando? Because when you look at iPSL, i-standard sala kuPSL sikhulu kakhulu. Yabo, sikhulu kakhulu. And once ubheke ama-club, yabo, the recent clubs uMofokeng ade mfuni Orlando Pirates enqabile ukuthi ayekona. Yabo, there are 5 clubs if I'm not mistaken. Minnesota FC yale ku-MLS, mase kuba iZamalek yala eAfrica, kube yi-FC Okron, the recent club le bimfuna umjita yenqabi Orlando Pirates, mase kuba i-LTFAC. Yabo, i-LTFAC ile edlalela uMahawukota. Yabo, lawo ma-club la musathi uyawabheka lawo ma-club lawo i-standard sawo asikho kwi-standard iOrlando Pirates ekusona. Asikhulume nje ivare bafethu. Yabo, mhlawumbe you can make your case nge-LTFAC. Yabo, you can make a case ukuthi yes yona inabadlali abaningi, inabadlali abayiquality futhi inemali. Yabo, you can make your case, but idlala eSaudi Arabia and akusiyona iclub edumile eSaudi Arabia, akusiyona iclub esatshwa eSaudi Arabia. Inabadlali abantswempu ngaleyo ndlela, but compared to Orlando Pirates you can make a case. But the other teams amfuna Mofokeng. Ngikhumbula nje neclub yase-Israel. Yabo, neclub yase-Israel ebemfuna uMofokeng. Noma kuthiwa umthanda kanjani uMofokeng bafethu. Noma kuthiwa umthanda kanjani uMofokeng, you cannot tell me ukuthi you are mad at Orlando Pirates for not letting the boy go and play Israel. You cannot tell me that you are mad at Orlando Pirates for not letting go of uMofokeng ayodlala le eRussia. First of all, 2 of those countries kunezimpi. Iliphi ibhola uMofokeng azohamba ayodlala Israel? Tell me one team oyaziyo idlala Israel. Tell me one team osekwayibona idlala kwi-TV eqhamuka le eRussia. uThabo Cele, he was playing le eRussia. He came back like South Africa. He's playing for iKaizer Chiefs. Why do you want to take uMofokeng ayodlala lapha? uThabo Cele was playing there. No one saw his games. Akekho wabona ama-games akhe. Ima simbona thina uCele manje edlala. Ima uCele simbona edlala, ima silibona italent lakhe ukuthi umjidi uyakwazi ukudlala ibhola. Yabo. So why ufuna uMofokeng ayodlala le? uThabo Cele wayedlala lamathima angaziwa le kuRussia. Manje nifuna uMofokeng ayodlala kulo mathima angaziwa, italent lakhe nilibona, umfana esamncane nje enetalent elingaka. Esamncane kanje. Wani mfuna ayodlala le ku-Minnesota United. Obongo kuhle hlongwane besuka la eSouth Africa, besuka beshisa bayodlala linjwa sebedlala li abasalibona elidlalayo. Hugo Broos asayicanga ngabo because ibhola la le USA akusilona ibhola elithathwa serious emhlabeni nje jikelele. Akusilona nje ibhola elithathwa serious. Ama-players adlala lapha asuke eyodlalela ukuyoretire njani babona nje uMessi bayidlela impesheni beshoba ama-penalty. Masuza la kwiZamalek. iZamalek for me bengabe i-team right for uMofokeng, but ke Zamalek kodwa ngcono i-Al-Ahly. Yabo, Al-Ahly bengathi hayi Zamalek nayo nje iZamalek ayangizwa nje futhi. Yabo, angizwa. For me ungcono usahlala kwi-Pirates umjida. I'm not saying Pirates should not let go of uMofokeng. Mhlawumbe abantu bazoyi-interpreta lento le ngenye indlela. I'm not saying Pirates should not let go of uMofokeng. They should sell uMofokeng, but not to any team. We should not sell uMofokeng to any team. We must see. Look at the player odlalela iWolves right now, uMarshall Munetsi. Marshall Munetsi was an Orlando Pirates player. We signed Marshall Munetsi. He played for Orlando Pirates. We sold Marshall Munetsi le kwi-club yase France. we sold Marshall Moonets kwi-club yase-France i-Stade Reims. Ngoba simdayisa kwi-Stade Reims, i-Pirates iyathatha isikhathi ukuthi ithole ama-offers. Yabo, another player okubani lumjide lo uLyle Foster. Another player uLyle Foster samdayisa samncane. I think kwakuyi-Monaco le club le yase-France samdayisa kuyona. Yabo. So isikhathi mesi right umdlali uzodayiswa, but not to any league. I-League one of the best leagues for youngsters. One of the best. Mina, to be honest, I'm waiting for a club League One. I'm waiting for a club Belgium. One of the two. Chandra Campbell is playing there in Belgium. I won't be surprised if we all know Pirates in Belgium. I won't be surprised. There are many clubs. I'm saying yebo, and kule season ikele uma enza kahle kakhulu kule season because liyavalwa iwind. Iwind I think izovalwa next week if I'm not mistaken. So njengoba iwind lizovalwa, I don't see Orlando Pirates izomdayisa kuleli wind. Mshide menza kangcono kule season. I think one of the top 5 leagues in Europe might come knocking. They might come knocking. He's the face of EPSL at his young age right now. Yabo. He played well with MTN final. Many people were saying Umchita akasiyena lo Mfokeng lo yena right now. Umchita was set because of yabo wadlala kahle Umchita. He even kissed the badge showing ukuthi he's one of yabo, he's not going anywhere anytime soon. Ama fans angasha kushoyo, but for me, stop guys, stop pressuring the players, stop pressuring the team. Let the team decide, let the boy decide. Even the parents of the boy, they mustn't influence the boy's mind. The boy must make his decision. You cannot rush the boy just because you see a pot of money eliconsayo, ibhodwe lemali eliconsayo. Uthini ngebusiness yakho mfowethu? Ibusiness yakho umjida nayo ibalekile phela. Ibalekile. It's all about exposure. Exposure yakhe ibaleke kakhulu. Exposure is something important ku noma umuphi umdlalo webhola. Uma ungekho exposed, you are just playing. As a star player as Mfokeng, uyayidinga exposure. He has brands under his name. Maningi ama brand umjida awa representayo. Lawo ma brands lawo kumele umjida abe exposed. Ekudlalela Orlando Pirates. Njengoba edlalela Orlando Pirates, one of the biggest clubs in South Africa, in Africa. Iyadingakala leyo nto le. So imagine eyodlalela eyodlala le kuma club amancane le Europe. Imapha ama brand azomrecognize Mfokeng. You won't even see Mfokeng. Phesheya uzofana nje njalo wonke abadlali meyali kule ma club amancane. So we are waiting for a club yakwi League One uthi ifike izomsign umjida. Stop pressurizing the club. Stop pressurizing the player. Sengithule nje mina. Yiloko nje engakusho. Wangitshela wona ama comments, how do you feel about the situation yamfokeng? But for me, I think it's time we put this matter into rest. Let the team decide, let the management decide which team is capable of signing Mfokeng. I know Orlando Pirates is very limited. Look at the teams.